see an example for the push-down automata. Right? That is, we have to design and push-down automata for the language ls equal to WWR such that W belongs to 0, 1 whole star. That is, the alphabets are zeros and ones. Right? How to design and push-down automata for this particular language WWR? For example, W is equal to 1, 1. And again WR is also equal to 1, 1. That is, the whole string is 4 ones. If you are having 4 ones, the string W is equal to 1, 1. Again the reverse is also equal to 1, 1. Right? For example, if you are having the input in the first state like this, 4 symbols. Right? After accepting the first symbol 1, the symbol 1 is pushed on to the stack. And the automata make guesses that it is the middle of the string. Right? If that it is the middle of the string means the remaining part of the symbol may be used for pop out the symbols from the stack. Right? But here after reading this one, this is not considered as, actually this is not the middle of the string. Right? The push-down automata may guess wrongly. Then again proceed with the remaining symbol that the guess is wrong. Again read the symbol, again it is pushed on to the stack, and after reading the symbol also it may guesses that it is the middle of the string. If it is considered as the middle of the string means the remaining part of the set of symbols are used for comparing the symbols with the stack and pop out the symbols from the stack. Right? Like this, the push-down automata can do many guesses while reading each and every input symbol. Right? Now we will see how the automata can be designed for the language WWR. Initially the stack is having Z0. Only the stack is having the initial top of the stack Z0. Right? The finite state control. We know that the three components are finite state control, input, stack, and the final result. That leads to the final result. Right? The stack is having Z0. And set of input symbols. Set of input symbol means W is equal to 101, 101. This will be considered as an example string for this language. Whole string, that is not W is equal to example string for the language ls equal to 101, 101. Here W is equal to 101. Again WR is also equal to 101. Right? This will be considered as an example string that belongs to this particular language. This will be considered as the string, input string, and initially the Z0 is present at the top of the stack. Right? If the finite state control reads the first input symbol, and see what is present on the top of the stack. Now the top of the stack is only having Z0. Right? So first symbol 1 is pushed onto the stack. And the push-down automata guesses after reading this one, this may be the middle of the string, right? And proceeds till the end. But it does not reaches the proper end. That is, either it accept or reject. But it does nothing because it is a wrong guess, right? Again it come back and again sees the next input symbol 0. That is again pushed on and compares with the top of the stack and pushed on to the stack. Again it guesses it may be the middle of the string and proceed, right? But it is not a proper guess. Again it comes to the same input tape and reads the third symbol and pushed on to the stack. Like this it may proceed up to last symbol, right? After reading this first 3 symbol in our example, after reading the first 3 symbol, the guess of the push-down automata is correct, right? That is, it reaches the middle of the string. The remaining part is used for comparing the symbols with the stack. If it gets matched, the symbols present in the stack is popped out. Right? At last, if the stack is empty or it reaches the final state, then it will consider that the given string is accepted. Right? Both of the things are not satisfied. That is, the stack is also not empty and it doesn't reaches the final state means then the particular string will be considered as the rejected string. Right? Now the stack is having Z0. The first symbol may be either 0 or 1. This is one example and maybe this is also another example that starts with 0. Here the symbol starts with 1. Here this symbol starts with 0. There are two possibilities. Initially the stack is empty right? The first possibility is either reading the symbol 0 or it reads the symbol 1. So there are two possibilities. One is after Z0 initial first symbol is 0 or the first symbol is 1 or the first symbol is 1, that is pushed on to the stack. Next thing is now in the step the top of the stack is Z0, 0 is pushed on to the stack and or 1 is pushed on to the stack. Now the top of the stack is either 0 or 1, right? With top of the stack as 0. With top of the stack as 0. Right? With top of the stack as 0. Again there are two possibilities. Right? With top of the stack as 0. One thing is it reads the symbol 0. Other thing is it reads the symbol 1. The first possibility is reading the symbol 0 with top of the stack as 0. Next one is with top of the stack as 0. It reads the symbol 1. Right? These are two possibilities with top of the stack as 0. Next thing is like this. With top of the stack as 1. With top of the stack as 1. It reads the symbol, again it reads the symbol 0 or it reads the symbol 1 or it reads the symbol 1. Right? These are the possibility for pushing the element onto the stack. Either if the top of the stack is 0 or 1. Again with top of the stack as 0, it reads the symbol 0 or 1 or with top of the stack as 1, it reads the symbol 0 or 1. These are the possibilities for pushing the element onto the stack. This is the first part of our problem. We can push all the elements based on these conditions. Right? For this set of conditions, how we will write the transition? Initially consider the start state as Q0. Initially consider the start state as Q0, comma 0, comma Z0. The first transition is for this particular operation with top of the stack as Z0. If you are pushing the symbol 0 means how we will write transition? Q0 reading the input symbol 0 with top of the stack as Z0. That leads to Q0, comma 0 Z0. Now stack is having 0 Z0. Now top of the stack is 0. Likewise for 1. Del of Q0, comma 1, comma Z0. That is equal to Q0, comma 1 Z0. This is for this particular operation. Here 1 is pushed onto the stack. Right? By using this transition. Next thing is with 0 as the top of the stack. Again after this transition means with 0 as top of the stack. With 0 as top of the stack, if you are reading the symbol 0 or if you are reading the symbol 1 with 0 as the top of the stack. For these two transitions, the top of the stacks are 0, reading symbol 0 or reading the symbol 1. Right? For both these conditions, we are pushing the symbol onto the stack. So it is equal to Q0, comma 0, 0. Again the 0 is pushed onto the stack. Q0, comma 1, 0. Here the 1 is pushed onto the stack. Next thing is del of Q0, comma with top of the stack as 1. With top of the stack as 1. With top of the stack as 1 and reading the symbol 0 or with top of the stack as 1 and reading the symbol 1. For this condition also we are pushing the symbol onto the stack. So it is equal to Q0, comma 0, 1 and Q0, comma 1, 1. These are the set of transitions for reading and accepting or for pushing the symbols onto the stack. Right? This set of symbols are enough for reading the first half of the symbol in our example. Next, WR. Here we have to match the set of symbol with WR. Right? WR means that is reverse. How to check that the second part is having the reverse of the first part of the symbol. Right? That is, these are some set of conditions for pushing the element onto the stack. For example, consider our example. Initially, the stack will be like this. After this, the first symbol 0 is pushed onto the stack. Again, one more 0 is pushed onto the stack. Next, 1 is also pushed onto the stack. Right? After push operation, our stack will be like this. 0, 0, 1. For 001, for 001, we push the elements onto the stack, right? Yes, like this, the 001 is pushed onto the stack. Here, what is the second part of the symbol? 100, right? While reading this symbol 1, while reading the second part of the symbol 1, that 1 is compared with the top of the stack, right? That 1 is compared with the top of the stack. If it gets matched, the top of the stack is popped out, right? Next symbol is compared with the top of the stack. If gets matched, then top of the stack is popped out, right? Here this one is compared with the next symbol, that is also 1. It gets matched, right? Then in this one is popped out. This one is popped out. The top of the stack is popped out. And how to write transition for this operation? That is del of Q0 comma. Here what is in the top of the stack? 1, and the symbol compared is also 1. Right? So symbol is 1, input symbol is 1, and top of the stack is also 1. That is equal to pop operation. Right? Here we are changing the operation from push to pop. From first part to second part we are moving. So just change the state as Q1 and represent the pop operation by using epsilon symbol. Q1 comma epsilon. Epsilon is for representing the pop operation. Right? Next. Here this one has popped out, and what is the next symbol here? 0. This is compared with the next input symbol, that is also 0. If it gets matched means popped out. So this 0 is also popped out. Right? Then how we will write the transition? Del of Q0 comma 0 comma 0 equal to Q1 comma epsilon. Next one is again 1. Sorry, 0. The 0 is compared with 0. Already we are having transition for 0 comma 0. Just pop. So all the elements are popped out. Remaining is Z0. There is no input symbol. Right? So del of Q0 comma epsilon comma Z0. That is equal to. Right? There is no input symbol, but with top of the stack as Z0. Q0 comma epsilon comma Z0 is equal to again Q1 comma epsilon. Right? Q1 comma epsilon. The state, there is no input symbol means just we will change the state from Q0 to Q1. If you are having Q0 comma epsilon comma 0. Right, with top of the stack as 0. Is there any symbol present in the stack? But there is no input symbol here. Right, but stack is having some numbers or symbols. So Q0 comma epsilon comma 0 or Q0 comma epsilon comma 1. For this also just change the state Q1 comma epsilon. Just here we are changing the state from Q0 to Q1. But there is no pop operation or push operation here. Here there is no input symbol and top of the stack is Z0. No problem. By using this transition, this leads to an accepted condition. But for this two transition, it leads to some reject condition. Because there is no input symbol, but it is having the symbols on the stack. Just we are moving the state from Q0 to Q1, but there is no pop operation here. Right? Now, we completed reading all the input symbols. Next thing is, we have to halt with the final state. Right? For that, we write the transition as from Q1 comma epsilon with top of the stack as Z0. That is to state Q2 comma epsilon. Now we reach the final state and the stack is also empty. So the given input symbol is accepted. These are the possible transitions. All the transitions are not used for each and every example string, but some for each and every transitions may be used for some particular set of strings, right? But these are the possible transitions by considering the language L is equal to WWR. Now, what is the graphic? How we will draw the graphical notation for this push-on automata? Here, what is the initial state? Q0 is the initial state. Here, Q0 is the initial state. Q0 is the initial state. And next state is Q1, at last Q2 is the final state. What are the transitions from Q0 to Q0? We are having some 6, 7, 8 transitions we are having here, right? Q0 to Q0, 3 plus 3, 6 transitions. What are the 6 transitions? First one is transition. Each and every transitions can be represented by using, first thing is input symbol, comma, old top of the stack by new top of the stack. In this old and new top of the stack is Z0 by 0 Z0. Next thing is 1 comma Z0 by 1 Z0. Next one is 0 comma 0 by 0 0. Next one is 1 comma 0 by 1 0. Next one is 0 comma 1 by 0 1. Next thing is 1 comma 1 by 1 1. These are the self transitions. Next one is transition from Q0 to Q1. From Q0 to Q1, this one. These 4 transitions are from Q0 to Q1. 1 comma 1 by epsilon, 0 comma 0 by epsilon, 1 comma 0 comma epsilon comma Z0 by epsilon, epsilon comma 0 by epsilon and epsilon comma 1 by epsilon. These are the transitions from Q0 to Q1. And what is the transition from Q1 to Q2? Only one transition, epsilon comma Z0 by epsilon. This is the graphical representation of the PDA. And how we will write the definition for this PDA? Definition means what are the 7 components? First thing is finite set of states. That is Q is equal to what? Q0, Q1 and Q2. Alphabet 0, 1. Stack symbols. What are the stack symbols? Here what are the stack symbols we included in representing the stack? First thing is 0, 1 and Z0. Z0 is the top of the stack. Next one is Q, summation, pipe, and these are the transitions. These are transitions. Transition functions del. Start state is the same, Q0 is the start state. Z0 the same, Z0 will be considered as the initial stack symbol. And which one is the final state? Q2 is the final state. Right? This is the PDA for the language. L is equal to WWR. Thank you.